Ta-da! Presses up in there.
Yeah, just 2 screws to hold it in place.
The bolt should stick out the top of the door so that it catches on the ceiling, basically. This bolt appears to have been assembled back to front. This is the top of the garage door at this end, and that's the bolt. So we need to take the pin out from the shop bolt, which I thought I'd freed up enough with the squeezing the bolts together to make it push through. So we can now set it round this way.
And conveniently it does have a hole for that end as well.
Yeah, so now we can set the spring, now we can put the pin back in. Now, the spring is the right way round. So, when it's hung on the door, like that, the spring go back and forwards. So with the pin corrected up here, we can now operate the handle and retract the pin. Magic.